Alright, I've noticed I've got a buzz from the cowling on my Concours, and this is a 2012, but I'm sure the other ones have this too. And it's this piece of plastic is rubbing up against the gauges on both sides and making it rattle like a buzzy, rattling, annoying noise. So I'm going to try and fix that today. What I'm going to try and do is take these off and then put like a piece of rubber trim or something on there so it doesn't have that hard plastic on hard plastic buzzing rattle. So let's go ahead and pull that off. There's just a few screws and it'll come right off. Alright, I took that center cover off and took the windshield off, and then once you get this little pop rivet out, it's down in here, this edge where it meets this trim ring around the gauges, that's what's causing the rattle. So what I'm going to do is get some edge trim for both sides here, put the edge trim on, and then I'll let you know if that fixes the rattle or not. Alright, that side's in, and just to show you over here, I just cut a little wedge, little pie cut into this. It's just some metal edge trim that I got, just splits open, and then yeah, just right there. I'm going to try it just right here, and if it still rattles, I'll go down around here, because I don't think it's rattling on this part. I think it's rattling right there. So that's what I'm going to try first. And then if that works, I'll just post the video, and if it doesn't, I'll take this back apart and make the video longer.